Welcome back to my channel. Today's I will reading about of this lesson. This lesson name is More on Excel 2016 Chapter 4 in Computer Subject Class 6. First of all, I will solve some question in book. First, tick the correct option. First, which of the following formatting elements is found in the Home tab? Answer all of these. Second, by right-clicking on the Sheet tab, we can rename the answer worksheet. What is the maximum limit of column width in Excel? Answer 255. 4. Which of these command 4. We can edit the content of a cell by answer double clicking. 5. Which of these commands in use to wrapping text in a cell? Answer wrap text. Right, true or false? We cannot select more than one cell at a time in an Excel worksheet. False. Second, we can format number in a cell. True. 3. We cannot merge two or more cells. False. 4. Autofill allows user to automatically fill in number or text series. 2. 5. A cell or a range of cell that you want to use in your calculation is called reference. True. Fill in the blanks using the word given below. First, the Insert button on the Home tab is used to add a column into a worksheet. Second, we can apply a style on the cells by using the cell style commands on the styles group under the Home tab. Three, we can select entire worksheet by clicking on the select all button. 4. We can use merge and center option in the alignment group to combine two or more selected cell into a single cell. 5. Symbols that specify the calculation to be performed are called operators. Short answer type question. First, what is the autofill? Write the use of autofill. Autofill features automatically fill a series of data in your worksheet. It saves your time to complete text or number series. Okay, student? Second question. Can we unmerge the merged cell? If yes, write the name of the command used to do so. Answer yes, we can unmerge the merged cell. Name of command is unmerge cell. 3. What is the use of copy command on the Home tab? Answer. Copy command is used to copy the data at the new place while the data also exists at its original. Okay, student? 4. Which features of Excel allows us to display multiple lines of text inside a cell? Answer. Wrap text feature of Excel allows us to display multiple lines of text inside a cell. F. Application based questions. First, Namita is preparing project details in a spreadsheet. Some text is a cell is too long and gets hidden when she taps text in the adjacent cell on the right. How can she change this? Answer. In spreadsheet, I can make the cell longer for adding more information. Just point the cursor at the edge of the cell from where I want to extend the long click and adjust it. यहाँ पर से यहाँ पर शिफ्ट किया हुआ है. ओके स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे जगह नहीं था इसलिए ऊपर इसको शिफ्ट कर दिए. एडजस्ट इट अकॉर्डिंग टू नीड योर according to your need. According to your need. 2. Srishti has prepared mark sheet for her class. She realized that she has forgotten the entire marks of one subject. How can she create space in the mark sheet to enter those marks? Answer: to create space in the mark sheet. Second, place the cursor near to the cell where we want to create space. 3. Right click and select insert row and column. Okay student, I have done some question in book. After that, question answer in notebook. Chapter 4, more on Excel 2016. Long answer type question. First, write the step to wrap the text in a cell. Answer: the step to wrap the text in a cell are: Step 1, click the cell in which you want to wrap the text. Step 2, click on Wrap Text command from Alignment group under Home tab. The text in your cell will be wrapped. Second question, how will you change the row height and column width? Answer: select the rows on columns and then select layout and choose your height and width. Select view ruler checkbox. Select the cell you want and then drag the marker on the ruler. Note: in Excel, select home, format and then select column width. Third question, how will you apply cell border? Answer: follow the below step to apply cell border. Step 1, in a worksheet, select the cell or range of cell that you want to add a border to change the border style on or remove a border from. Step 2, go to the font group in the Home tab. Step 3, click the arrow next to border command. Step 4, click on the border style you would like the border will be applied to the cell. Cell borders that you apply appear on printed pages. All cells to be visible on printed pages. You can display the grid lines by checking the grid lines option from Show Group under View tab. 4 question. Explain operator precedence in brief. Answer: when performing calculation using a formula, Excel follows certain rules of precedence. Excel calculation expression within parentheses. ये पिक्चर दिया है, इसको लिखना है इसमें फर्स्ट. ओके, Excel calculates multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. Excel calculates consecutive operators. Excel calculates consecutive operators with the same level of precedence from left to right. For example, the formula 10 plus 10 star 2 gives a result of 30 as Excel multiples 10 by 2 and then adds 10. Okay, student? I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, student, Allah Hafiz. Bye.